LG's contribution to the smartphone industry has been immense. It has been a pioneer in making smartphones look cool, a little quirky even, but all in all, it has helped move the industry forward through breakthrough products that made nuances like ultra-wide-angle cameras and high-quality audio centerpieces in the whole mobile experience, something that many rivals have taken inspiration from. But perhaps LG's biggest contribution to the mobile space has been its relentless pursuit to build the next big thing. LG was always onto something innovative, and at one point of time, it had even succeeded in building a very likable modular phone, aka LG G5, a concept that even Google had failed to crack, only to abandon the project completely later. But even as LG continued on its tryst to make these one-of-their-kind products, rivals, primarily Samsung, caught on with competitive yet more accessible devices that started to gradually eat into its share of the flagship market. While in the affordable segment, the likes of Xiaomi challenged it with better prospects of value for money. LG's phones started to feel like gimmicks amid all this fierce competition, while a high price tag associated with them usually barred them from being a recommended buy for most users. Despite all this, LG did not stop innovating, not even towards the end of its smartphone journey. Only last year, it had launched the Explorer project in a bid to breathe new life into what makes a smartphone. Simply put, it was all about going above and beyond the conventions. The LG Wing was the first smartphone to have come out of that campaign. It offered a new twist on LG's existing dual-screen concept by adding a secondary display to the phone itself and a swivel mechanism like no other. LG had even brought the phone to India. It was also working on something even more outlandish, a rollable phone that it had teased on multiple occasions, most recently during CES 2021. It is safe to assume that that phone isn't happening anymore. Still, if one was to talk about its last days as a smartphone maker, it won't be wrong to say, LG spent it doing what it liked to do best, making smartphones look cool. The LG Wing was a swing and a miss, sure, but it was also peak LG, bold, brave, and different.